Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Roxy. Today we're going to be styling this curly lace frontal wig, and this wig was sent to me from Sunber Hair. So this is their 20-inch deep curly. It's a 13x4 lace. The wig is pre-plucked. It comes pre-plucked. However, I did go in and further customize it. So I bleached the knots and I did some more plucking. However, if you're not that great with plucking and tweezing and stuff, you can just bleach it and leave it as is, because they did a pretty good job with the hairline. Like, it's not too chunky or anything like that. So after plucking it, I did go ahead and I tinted the lace using my Stush lace tint. So this is like my #1 product that I love to use when it's time to customize my lace. So it makes it so much easier for the lace to blend in with my scalp and, you know, all that good stuff. All right, so today I'm gonna be gluing down my wig today. Last time I put on my lace wig, I used the grip gel, but for some reason it didn't hold. So I'm definitely gonna be gluing using the Isha lace glue. Let me show you guys. So I'm just going to cut off the excess lace before I glue it on. I must say this lace is pretty snug. Like, usually I have to cut off extra lace around my ear, but this time around it's pretty exact. And yeah, it is pretty snug and pretty exact. And I don't consider my head to be big, so I would say it runs on the smaller side. All right, so I'm going to glue down the lace, but before I do that, I'm just gonna take some of my makeup remover. So I'm gonna take off the extra makeup. In case you guys are wondering, this glue comes with a remover, so it makes it so much easier to remove when I need to. You literally just spray it on and then let it sit for about 2 minutes, and then the wig just slides right off. This kind of feels close to my forehead. Oh my gosh. All right, so I feel like I kind of glued it pretty close to my forehead. So I'm gonna see if I can pull it back a little. And I don't think I can. Oh gosh. So I'm just gonna cut off the excess lace because I don't like when it looks like it's too close to my forehead. It makes my forehead look small. Like, I like my big forehead. Yeah, so I'm just gonna give myself more forehead. Why did I do that? So I'm not sure if I want to wear this in a middle part or have it all coming back, but I do know that I want to wet it some more so that it's more tamed and, you know, nice and set. All right, so I've wet it. I'm gonna use some of the mousse to set it. And I really love that it's this length. It's only 20 inches, but 20 inches in curly hair is not long at all. So it's a 20. However, it stops like right here. But I like it. It looks very low maintenance. Like, you know, you can just whip it in a little ponytail and it's like not super long. Still gives you like a casual feel. I'm just going to loosen up the hairs up here a bit. I mean, I can obviously do a middle part because it's a frontal and it's 4 inches deep. Yeah, so I can do a middle part like this. I mean, I always do a middle part, and I'm really liking my baby hair, so I want everything to kind of go back. All right, so we're gonna go back today. All right. Yeah, so I definitely love it coming back. It opens up my face more. I always do middle part anyway, so why not try something different? I like what I did with the baby hairs. It looks nice, looks cute. And also I get to show off like my earrings, my accessories. In case you're wondering, these earrings are from Curio Bold. As some of you guys know, I do have like a fashion accessory line. So when I do wear earrings in these videos, they're all mine. So you can check that out, curiobold.ca. But yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. Give me a thumbs up if you like how this turned out, if you would try this unit. I even think this would look so cute if it was a lot shorter. That would be a look. Anyways, I'm going to leave all the details to this unit in the description box below. So don't forget to check out Sunber Hair if you need a nice deep curly unit. Thanks to them for sponsoring this video. And as usual, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.